Hello, this is Laurie, Girl on the Ridge, back with a little. I'm going to show you some stuff that I finished making for my Etsy shop, and then we'll have a tutorial on these. So what I was, actually my brother got me these little cards, and each one of these bags you'll get, I did a envelope. I made an envelope with this beautiful metallic gilding polish that is enchanting gold. I love it. And I embossed it. So each one comes with an envelope, a little clip, and a little book made out of playing cards. And after I show you these, I'll show you how I made these. And it comes with steam binding, and they're all the same. I'm gonna list them just as one because they're pretty much all the same other than different laces on the raggedies. I actually made a spine. It's a sewn-in signature. There's a piece of ephemera in the front, and each one has a bag with a piece of ephemera in the back, and they are so rustic in torn paper. And then you have a little raggedy in it, and it's actually sewn in, and I just thought they were adorable. And then they just, each one, I'll show you a couple, but these are so fun. They use up scraps, and especially for somebody that's maybe new to junk journaling, you can throw that in your purse and just write a list. And then, like I said, they're pretty much all the same. I made 10 of them. I went wild today. I did pink and gold is pretty much the color, and then maybe a different color. The raggedies that were inspired by Nick the Booksmith. Again, the papers are I think each one has 10, so it's 20, 40, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 10. So there's 40 in each, front to back. And each one has some kind of a ephemera on it. And then just a bunch of goodies on there. And they all have the flowers, and they all have the cloth. And like I said, I'll show you how you make them. So these I just listed in my Etsy. If you have any questions, please just shoot me a message through my Etsy shop. And like I said, they're pretty, all the books are the same. The butterfly, everything comes with an envelope. And that's it. So we'll get to the fun part. Let me put these over there. Okay. So what I did, and this isn't, I know I've seen this probably about a year ago. I think I made something like this too. I took 2 cards. These cards are really cute. Make sure I'm in the frame. Yep. And then I just took, right, say this. This is just an index card. You can make your spine any size you want. Let's see. This is about 1/2 inch. No, is that right? Yeah, 1/2 inch. And then you do like you do a book. Or you just have to make sure the cards are in the right way. Let's see. So that's gonna, okay, this is the inside. What I did, made it the same. And I don't measure, guys. It's been a long day, and it is, let's see. You lay it down like that, and just like any other spine, you're just kind of like barely touching. And then the easy part is I took a piece of, this is like a canvas piece of, I'll do 2 pieces. And like I said, I whipped out about, I think I made about 15 today. Okay, and then I just, the glue gives me agita. Any other time it seeps out and bubbles all over, and then when you need it. Okay, back to that. I'll put just a little, and I'm sure there's other ways to do it, but this was the easiest because I had them lined up all on my table and I just did them in a row. And then I just put the fabric so it covers all the glue. And I missed there. Oop, get back over here. And that's why you do it on both sides in case you do miss a little. Which I probably should have waited till tomorrow to do this video, but. And then I do the side of the, and then you can trim it later. Side of each card. Boop. And just like nice flat. These are like so, like I said, you can, I mean, I rip the paper because I've been into homespun and rustic, and you just trim it. And there is your book. There's your spine. And then you can touch it up after if you need to touch up the glue. See, there the glue goes. There, and that's your little booklet. And then I would just take, literally, I just took some paper, folded it, ripped it, and then, like I said, I took about 10 pieces, and I just did my 3-hole pamphlet stitch, right? You know, 1, 2, 3, and then that was my booklet. So we will do it again. Get your cards, make sure they're in the right way. Get a piece of cardstock. Like I said, this was a 1/2 inch. You can go big. I wouldn't go too much bigger. I mean, yeah, I guess you could, but experiment. And then I'll make my material a little fatter so I can catch it all. And you can use, I mean, even old sheets make great strips there. Now let's see. Nope, I want her first. Yeah, I'll play with the temperamental glue. And then the side of each plain card. My brother was so cute. He picked these up for me. And at first I didn't see the little girl because all the little boys were on top. It was in a case. Yeah, let's see if I did it right this time. Yep. Flip it over. Another piece of material. I like the material because it really does. I like the look and it stiffens it up nice. And a little more glue. hard to talk and think sometimes. But I hope you guys had a nice day today. It's about midnight. And I just had to get this done so I could sleep tonight. There. And there's another one. Aren't these adorable? These are so cute to even add to your journal or give as a separate little gift. See, that one was a little wider, so it's square. It was more round, but it doesn't matter. And that's... So, don't look at... keep your eye out for playing cards. You can use anything, even if you wanted to cover the playing cards. I mean, they're nice and stiff. So, I hope you guys play around with that. I'm not sure who came up with that, but it wasn't my... I was just playing with it. I didn't come up with that. I'm sure somebody else did. Just don't know who. And like I said, these little gift bags will be listed in my Etsy. I will list them right after I upload this film. And there's all little goodies in there. And I think that's it. And I'll be back probably tomorrow with a journal. So guys, have a nice night and we'll see you soon. Bye.